Right now, your head is aging faster than your feet. Not as a metaphor, as a measurement. Time does not run at one speed. It runs slower where gravity is stronger, and we have built machines precise enough to watch it happen across the length of your body. Which means time travel into the future isn't a theory, it's engineering. We've already done it. The only question is what it costs. This is Vega. In 4 hours, she leaves for a black hole. Close enough to touch the edge of it, not close enough to die. The mission is 1 hour long. She takes one photograph with her. Remember it. It's the only thing in this story that matters. There's a clock on her console. It's the most important instrument on the ship, and it is going to start lying to her. Not because it's broken, because it's working perfectly. Einstein's rule is simple and horrible. The deeper you sit in gravity, the slower your clock ticks, and you never feel a thing. Your own clock always seems normal. It's everyone else's that goes wrong, and before we follow her, you need to know this has already happened. Not in theory, on a scheduled passenger flight. In October 1971, a physicist and an astronomer did something absurd. They bought airline tickets for 4 atomic clocks, not cargo, passenger seats, buckled in. They flew twice around the world, then they came home and compared them to identical clocks left at the Naval Observatory. The traveling clocks disagreed. That's not a thought experiment, that's a receipt, and it's in your pocket right now. GPS satellites orbit 20,000 kilometers up, where gravity is weaker, so their clocks run 45 microseconds a day fast. They're also moving quickly, which drags them 7 microseconds slow. Gravity wins. Every GPS satellite runs 38 millionths of a second fast, every single day. Ignore that, and your position drifts 10 kilometers a day. So engineers do something wonderful. Before launch, they deliberately set the clocks to the wrong speed, tuned slow so that relativity speeds them up into being right. Here's my favorite. In the 1960s, Richard Feynman pointed out that Earth's core must be younger than its crust. Deeper in the gravity well, slower clock, less accumulated time. He estimated the gap at a day or two. That number went into papers, it went into textbooks, and for 50 years, nobody ran the numbers. In 2016, someone finally did. The core isn't a day or two younger, it's 2.5 years younger. Feynman was off by a factor of 1,000, and the whole field just took his word for it. Run the same maths on the sun, and its surface turns out to be 40,000 years older than its center. And we can measure this now at a scale that should be impossible. In 2022, physicists detected time running at different rates between two clouds of atoms 1 millimeter apart. 1 millimeter. Time bends across the width of a fingernail, which means someone already holds the record for time travel. Sergei Krikalev spent 803 days in orbit, moving fast enough that his clock fell behind ours. He came back 1/50th of a second into his own future. It's the same door Vega is about to open. Much, much wider. A black hole doesn't look like a hole. It looks like a wound in the sky. A black sphere wrapped in a ring of light so bright it's being strangled on its way out. For 1 hour down here to cost 7 years up there, you need time running 60,000 times slower than it does at home. And here I have to be honest. That number comes from a Nobel laureate who worked it backwards for a film, and it only works under vicious conditions. The hole must spin at 99.8% of the maximum possible, and her ship must skim the edge at more than half the speed of light. His own verdict, marginally possible, very unlikely, but not impossible. And that's the terrifying part. So she holds there, 60 minutes. She drinks half a coffee. Nothing dramatic happens. The clock on her console ticks normally, because her clock always will. Outside, the stars are wheeling like a time lapse. That's the only clue. That's the whole horror. It doesn't feel like anything. 1 hour. She turns for home. She has aged 60 minutes, and she is about to find out what 60 minutes bought. An hour at 60,000 to 1 is 7 years. But she had to get there and back, skimming light speed the whole way. By the time Vega's boots touch home, 60 years have gone. She is exactly 1 hour older than the day she left. The apartment is still there. The window is the same. The lamp is the same. Everyone in the photographs is dead. And here's what nobody tells you about time travel. Going forward is easy. It's just physics, and we've been doing it since 1971. Coming back is not. No mechanism, no experiment, no receipt. The door only opens one way. Vega didn't lose an hour. She lost everyone, and she can't go and get them. So it isn't a machine that makes a time traveler. It's the arithmetic of what you're willing to leave behind.